Hello everybody, my name is Jonathan Segovia. I'm a United States Marine, no longer on active duty, in the civilian world now, but still fighting. Still fighting for the pursuit of happiness, I guess you could say. And what would make me the most happiest man in the world is to have my sons back in my life. You know, it's been almost 5 years that I haven't had them fully in my surroundings and under my care. You know, there's a lot of reasons probably that that's happened, but all I know is I've always wanted to be their father and involved in their lives since day one. And they're the entire reason why I ended up getting off of active duty in the Marine Corps to begin with. The only reason. I loved being a Marine, still do, obviously. Once a Marine, always a Marine. But being a father and raising sons comes once in a lifetime. And you only have that chance to do that for a small period of time. Lord knows I've done everything I could to be in their lives. But they have been taken away and continuing to be, and that's why I'm fighting. I'm one of those fathers that actually wants to be involved in their boys' lives very much. And it's been hard not having my boys around me every day so I could teach them the things that my father taught me, and I could pass on to them our family traditions and the things that I've learned in my life to this point. I'm a God-fearing man. I'm very family-oriented. I want to do what's right by my boys. So like I said, I'm continuing this fight, but I need some help. I think that's the hardest thing to do, is to admit sometimes when you're a man that you need help. And I've gone and I've exhausted everything I can personally to keep this fight alive. But I am in dire need of a good lawyer who's going to help understand my fight and just bring back to me what I desire most in life, and that is to be a father to my sons, AJ and Fabian. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you some pictures of my boys and our times together. I ask for anybody out there that's watching this that can understand the pain of it to not have your kids in your life when you so desperately want them in your life. Now, without going in all the reasonings why and all of that, and blaming their mother for taking them and all of these things that I could do, I would just rather just say, I just need your help. And with whatever you can help me with, I was running this along with a friend of mine, and he's a lawyer in A&M, and he's telling me, your community in the Marine Corps is huge. People who may understand your fight is huge. What would it hurt to ask? If you have 6,000 Marines, 5,000 people watching this, they all donate $10, there's everything you're going to need for a lawyer right there. So here I am today, asking for your help. What anyone can do to help me get my boys and bring them back home, I would be grateful. Thank you all for watching. Thank you. God bless.
Huh?
Just press it.
You guys ready? You ready?
You spell chickens. Chicken, AJ. AJ, that's how I spell chicken. excited? Oh yeah. Oh man, you're doing good, buddy. Say hi, Papa. Say hi, Papa.
Hi, Papa.
Hi, Mommy. Hi, Aunt Michelle.
I'm in fourth.
You're in fourth? Say hi, Aunt Denise. I love you. You're almost winning? Man, you're doing good, my friend. Both of you guys. Now we're gonna race each other when I get back over there, okay? Are you ready? You gonna be ready? Hey, say hi, Papa. I love you. Say hi, Nani. Hi, Nani. I love you.